Erev Shabbat Shalom. We are beginning in Yu Chumash, Sefer Shmot, the book of the exiles and redemption, Hagalut והגאולה. The Torah begins with a cry, ויענחו בני ישראל מן העבודה ויזעקו. A cry of pain, of oppression, of lives that had become difficult and heavy. And it is from within that cry that revelation begins. ההתגלות מתחילה. Hashem does not reveal himself in a palace and not above real life, but in a very surprising place, the burning bush. וירא מלאך השם אליו בלבת אש מתוך הסנה. According to the Midrash, this takes place on Mount Sinai itself. Yet Hashem chooses not the top of the mountain, but a small thorny bush. The message is very clear. Hashchina, divine presence, does not escape hardship. It is found within it. Chachamim, our sages, saw the burning bush as a symbol of a Jewish people, Am Yisrael. The fire represents the long exiles, the suffering, and the forces that try to destroy us. But והנה הסנה בוער באש, והסנה איננו אוכל. The bush burns, but it is not consumed. Not because there is no fire, but because the divine presence, Ashchina, is there. Hashem himself explained this message later in Tehillim, Eimo Anochi Betzara. I am with him in distress. Hashem is not distant from suffering. He present within it. Rabbi Shimshon Raphael Hirsch adds a deeper insight. The fire is not destructive. It is refining fire, a fire of faith that brings warmth and life. Even the simplest and most difficult parts of life can become a place where Hashem is present. And this message speaks to each of us personally. In life, there are hard moments. There are times that feel sharp, painful, and overwhelming. And sometimes we ourselves are the burning bush. The Torah teaches us that precisely within those moments there is Shechina, there is divine spark that can awaken faith and closeness to Hashem. And the very discovery of that spark, that Hashem is here, is already the beginning of redemption. This is true on the national level, and it is true in our personal lives. The fire of faith does not destroy us. It warms our hearts, lifts our perspective, and gives us the strength to continue. Shabbat Shalom.